Look, a fruit stand.
Morning, welcome.
Everything looks so fresh.
Picked this morning.
Is the watermelon sweet?
Very sweet. Try some.
Delicious.
Best in the county.
How much for one?
$5.
I will take one.
Going somewhere fun?
Crystal Cove Beach.
Great beach.
You have been there?
Many times. I live nearby.
Any good spots?
The south end is quieter.
Less crowded?
Much less.
Good tip. Any peaches?
Right here. Try one.
So juicy.
Georgia peaches.
6 peaches, please.
Perfect beach snack.
Exactly what I thought.
Total is $8.
Here you go.
Enjoy the beach.
Thank you.
2 chairs, please.
With an umbrella?
Yes, please.
Front or back row?
What is the difference?
Front is near the water.
Back row.
More shade from the trees.
My wife burns easily.
Back row then.
Good idea. How much?
$25 for the day.
That includes the umbrella?
Yes, everything included.
Do you sell sunscreen?
Yes, $10.
I forgot ours at home.
Happens every single day.
Not just us then.
SPF 50, very strong.
Perfect. I will take it.
Apply it every 2 hours.
Got it. Thank you.
Enjoy your day.
We will, thanks.
Excuse me, are you Sarah? Yes. Do I know you? I am Amy, Jason's wife. Tom's college friend, Jason. Yes, that Jason. Oh my God, hi. I recognize Tom over there. This is so crazy. We moved here last year. Really? Where? Maple Street, 20 minutes away. We are so close. I know. Small world. Are you here with family? Jason and our daughter. How old is she? 4. She loves the ocean. That is so cute. She is building a sandcastle. I want to see. Come over later. We definitely will. Do you like barbecues? We love barbecues. Come over next Saturday. We would love to. I will text you. Tom will be so excited. Jason talks about him a lot. Same with Tom. See you later, Sarah. See you, Amy. Hi. What do you have?
Tacos, burgers, and fries.
Fish tacos.
Yes, fresh today.
How many in an order?
3 tacos.
2 orders, please.
Big appetite.
1 for my husband.
He is lucky.
I will tell him.
Any drinks?
What do you have?
Lemonade and iced tea.
2 lemonades.
Fresh squeezed.
Even better.
Anything else?
That is all.
It smells good, right?
Incredible.
Secret family recipe.
Can you tell me?
Then it is not secret.
You are right.
Total is $22.
Here you go.
Here is your food. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me? Do you need help?
Yes, please. I am lost.
Where are you trying to go?
I am looking for the art museum.
Oh, that is not far.
Really? I am walking in circles.
This area can be confusing.
My phone map stopped working.
Let me show you the way.
I would really appreciate that.
Go straight down this street.
Straight down this street.
Turn left at the second light.
Second light. Got it.
You will see a big park.
A big park. Okay.
Walk past the park completely.
Walk past the park.
The museum is the white building.
Does it have tall steps?
Yes, you can't miss it.
Is it a long walk?
Only about 10 minutes from here.
That is very close.
Yes, it is a nice walk.
Thank you so much for helping.
No problem at all.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Have fun.
I definitely will. Goodbye.
Welcome. What can I get you?
2 scoops, please.
Cup or cone?
Cone for me.
And the other one?
Cup for my wife.
What flavors?
What is popular here?
Salted caramel, number 1.
I will try that.
Good choice.
And for my wife?
Does she like fruit?
She loves fruit flavors.
Try the mango.
Fresh mango?
Yes, very light and creamy.
She will love that.
Any toppings?
What do you have?
Sprinkles, nuts, or chocolate?
Sprinkles on both.
Colorful. Here you go.
These look amazing. How much?
$8.
Here, thank you.
Eat fast. Sun melts them.
Ha, running back now.
Excuse me, is it safe to swim?
Very safe today.
How are the waves?
Very small. Very calm.
Any jellyfish?
Not today. We checked this morning.
Good. How deep is it?
About 5 feet.
My husband is not a strong swimmer.
He should stay near shore.
Can he use a float?
Yes, we rent them.
How much?
$5 for the day.
I will take one.
See those red flags?
Yes. What are they?
The swim zone. Stay inside.
The safest area?
Yes, I am always watching.
That is reassuring.
Have fun out there.
Excuse me, can you take our photo?
Of course. The sunset is gorgeous.
We want the ocean behind us.
Stand a little closer together.
Like this?
Put your arm around her.
Okay, ready.
Smile. 1, 2, 3.
One more? She blinked.
Ha, sure. Say beach.
Beach.
Perfect. Let me show you.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Great photo. Great couple.
Thank you so much.
Are you from around here?
About 30 minutes away.
I live right here.
Lucky. Best sunsets ever.
Every single night.
We should come more often.
Come back in summer. Even prettier.
We definitely will.
Enjoy your evening.
You too. Thank you.
What a perfect day.
I love this beach.
Me too. So beautiful.
The water was so calm.
And the sunset.
Best sunset I have ever seen.
We should come back.
Every month?
Yes, I would love that.
Can you believe we ran into my old friend?
So crazy. Small world.
He lives so close now.
Only 20 minutes away.
We should visit them.
They invited us next Saturday.
Barbecue at their place.
I am so excited.
Me too. It has been years.
We need to bring something.
A dessert?
Good idea. A pie, maybe.
Apple pie.
Perfect. They will love it.
Their daughter is so cute.
She was building sandcastles.
So adorable.
This is a great area.
Good beach, good people.
We are lucky.
Very lucky.
Let's come back next month.
Deal.